Everyone is cut out for camping. Only the strongest will survive. Or the sneakiest. Find more new pranks and life hacks on a brand new channel. Woohoo! Oh, we're about to spend some relaxing time in the forest. We just have to make ourselves at home. A soft rug, cushions, garlands, and a sign on the tent. How cute! Hey, hold on. What did you turn our tent into? When we're in the woods, everything has to be natural. These rude mosquitoes want to ruin my makeup. Not today, you disgusting creatures. I prepared for this camping trip. Cut a 6-inch piece of tulle. Hot glue it to the edge of a visor. Decorate the seam with a string of sequins. Attach some sequins to the top of the visor too. This is my mosquito repelling visor from the collection, The Queen of the Forest. No bug can ruin my look. You call this a speaker? This one actually has great sound and an ergonomic design. Check out my eco-friendly speaker. Trace a cup on a cardboard box a few times. Cut out round holes on all sides. Cut out the bottom of a paper cup. Color inside of the cup with acrylic paint. Hot glue on a plastic box handle. Spray paint the box and the outside of the cup silver. Put the cups into the holes. Now that's an awesome sound! All the birds will be jealous when they hear the bass. Dance, friend! My friend doesn't leave her phone alone, even while she's camping. I need to distract her. Put a long gummy snake onto a skewer and wrap it around the skewer. Attach the other end so the snake is fastened. Who wants a snake kebab? Ah! Oh my gosh! It's delicious! I can pull some pranks too. My gold beetle is ready to prank my friend. Coat a toy bug with gold acrylic paint and sprinkle it with gold glitter. Secure the glitter in place with acrylic polish. Oh, a gold beetle! Wow, how interesting! Is this a rare species? It looks kind of fake. What a pity! Oh no! A forest tragedy! There is a huge hole in my camping tights. What should I do? Great news! Now we've got something to store our veggies and fruits in. Put fruits and vegetables into tights and hang them on a tree. It's a great food organizer. Good morning, forest! Oh, who is that? You look like a sad owl when you wake up. These under-eye circles are so scary. Calm down! I have some natural eye patches! Make an imprint of an eye patch package on foam paper. Cut them out. Superglue stabilized moss on top. Cover the whole surface. Put the new eye patches into a package and put it into a Ziploc bag. These eye patches are from the beauty line All Natural Recipes. Apply some moisturizing under-eye lotion and put on the eye patches. Now you look like an elf princess, and the forest eye patches helped you out fast. We need to make a campfire. It's not that easy to pull off. And my friend isn't very helpful. The only thing she can do is spray her sanitizer everywhere. Actually, this is exactly what I need. Use hand sanitizer as lighting fluid. Pour it over the wood and carefully light it up. It only takes a few seconds to get a bright, quick, and disinfected campfire. What could be better than a marshmallow fried over a campfire? Only my chocolate banana dessert. Let's try it! Carefully cut a banana and remove some of the peel. Stick pieces of milk chocolate into the banana. Make sure the intervals are equal. Cover it with the peel and wrap the banana in foil. Place it on the coals for 5 minutes. Carefully take out the bananas, but not with your hands. Place the bananas on a rock. Let the bananas cool so you don't burn yourself. And we will need some dishes for eating the bananas with. I made some out of a plastic bottle. Outline a spoon and a fork on a plastic bottle using a marker. Cut them out with a heated utility knife. Bend the plastic handle in half. Cut off the bottom of a big plastic bottle to be a plate. Wow, that was easy! Our table is set just like at a restaurant. The bananas are cooked and the chocolate melted. Mmm, delicious! You can eat this dessert with a spoon. My friend is asleep again after a forest party, and she didn't even take her shoes off. Our tent is so messy. I'll have to clean it. Wrap twine around makeup products. Shoes and makeup are now hanging on a tree branch like on a hanger. Where did all my stuff go? Did our tent get robbed? Phew! Here it is, safe and sound. What is that? Did you order sushi delivery to the forest? You're a victim of modern civilization. They forgot to put in chopsticks. How am I supposed to eat now? Relax. We are in the woods. There are a lot of sticks around here. Shave off the top layer of branches using a utility knife. Trim them to be chopsticks. Tie them together with twine. Your eco-friendly chopsticks are all done. Perfect! And I could eat with my hands. Do you have an empty water bottle? Take a peg out of your tent. Heat it with a lighter and make a hole at the bottom. Cover the hole with your finger and pour in water. Screw the cap on and remove your finger. The water doesn't pour out. Hang the bottle onto a branch. Slightly open the cap so that the water can pour out. And close the cap to stop it. You made a DIY water tap. Let's add some comfort to your wild life. Our tap is all done, but the soap is still so slippery. Use my soap pieces. Cut a bar of soap into small cubes. Put them into a metal box. It's way easier to stay clean while camping with this soap. You can take a new piece every time you wash your hands. Do you want some chips? Sure! Oh, why is there salami in this? Slice salami. Cheese. And chop some herbs. Put everything into a bag of chips. Shake the bag so the ingredients mix together. These camping chips are more than just a snack. It's a whole meal. Try some. A picture of a hot dog. Hashtag picnic outdoors. My picnic looks way too boring. What if I add some magical ketchup? Pour ketchup into a bottle and put in edible glitter. Shake the bottle. Yay! Now my picnic is bright and sparkly. Life can be glamorous when you're in the wild. Did you like our camping pranks and life hacks? Then let us know in the comments which ones you'll use on your next camping trip. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new pranks and life hacks on Troom.